Oh my God.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
How to make Nickelodeon's mad.
Damn, you okay? No. Here, shh, don't cry, don't cry. Wait, who the fuck is singing? Oh, it's amazing, amazing, shut the fuck! Listen, you have the ugliest outfit I've ever seen in my life.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking
You stuttered, you fucking lost, dickhead.
Control me.
Yo, you guys got ugly ass outfits, bro.
Nigga, look at your attitude. You got no fucking
Get your fucking money snatched, loser.
Loser?
Did I stutter? I said loser! Yeah, that's why you can't kill me, dickhead.
Dickhead?
Oh!
Like that?
Relax, can I have a hug, please? Can I have a hug, please? Let's just truce, alright? What the fuck? Yeah, she just logged.
Stand down, motherfucker! Or stand up. Or sit down on that chair and stand. Sit down, stand up and sit. Or sit down and stand. Or sit down on that chair and stand up right now, goddammit. Stand there and sit! Fuck! God damn it, I'm fucking mad! Pull it out of your ass and sit on it! Sit down on that fucking chair and stand up, motherfucker! Keep fuck shit! Stand and fucking sit!
На новом аккаунте я точно научился открывать майонез. Ёб... Стой.
Don't try and copy this. Don't just feel like it's a cool thing to do and chuck it. You have to have a backlog of experience.
a girlfriend. 1. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. A mistake I see.
What is this?
I'm gonna have to ask you to turn off whatever voice mod you got on. That shit's cringe as fuck.
Hi, friend. How are you doing today? Did you call me cringe?
Yeah, actually, specifically.
Why is that, friend? Do you not like to have fun? What? Friend, no!
Dude, this class is so boring. Yo, Miss G, can we learn about something else?
Actually, Sam, there is something I haven't told you yet. The bite of 87. There are 4 suspects for the bite of 87. Those people are crazy.
Come in the name of peace.
This is really happening. There's a goat. Why is there a goat? Hi. Hey, buddy. Are you a nice goat? I don't have food, goat. Oh my god! There's a fucking llama! What is going on?
Man, you gonna have to run, bro.
What?
Come on, this way. Come on, back up, man. Back up.
1, 2, 3. We will
Like the Jewish doctor, shalom, and then... Come on and come on,
And those emojis honestly should be illegal. I've been emailing Apple every single day to remove the meat emojis from the iPhones, and they're not doing it. I don't know why they're not doing it. I've been emailing them every single day to stop putting the meat emojis in the phones. Like, it should be illegal. It's offensive to me, and it's triggering to people like me who are vegan. It is so triggering, and I don't know why they don't take them off the iPhone, because they're so triggering. They are so triggering.
Once I establish my theocracy, I will throw you in my dungeon and let you rot for eternity.
मेरे लिए तो बड़ा सिंपल है, ऐसे लिया और ये गोबर जिनको रिफाइन करके लेना हो लो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ऐसे लेके कितनी अच्छी चीज है, तन मन सारा पवित्र हो जाता है, आत्मा पवित्र हो जाती है, मूत्र देखिए कितनी अच्छी चीज है।